All right, y'all. We just got our vegetables into our hot skillet. We're just gonna get these cooked down a little bit. While those are cooking down, I've just got a bowl here and I got my dogs. I'm coming in with some Italian dressing. Love Italian, all those seasonings. We're gonna give it some shakes of our Wash Your Sister sauce. Perfect. And I've got my Tony's Keurig seasoning here, and this is the no salt variety, which I was real excited to find, because what could be better than watching your salt intake and just keeping it low but not losing out on any of the flavor. And these three things together are going to be a magic combination. I'm just going to come in, toss my dogs in this. Now if you wanted, you could toss your dogs in this and your onions or peppers, whatever you want, the day before, and you can just marinate this for a couple hours to 24 hours. But this just makes everything real tasty and delicioso. Okay, and now we're gonna add this right on top of our peppers, our onions, those hatch green chilies. I'm gonna start tossing all these bad boys together. Oh yeah, this is gonna be your new favorite meal of the summer. You will never do hot dogs another way again. I can promise you that. All right, we're just gonna let these cook down and get immersed in that flavor. Alrighty, y'all, this has all been cooking down. It is looking so good. We just got one more thing to do here. I'm gonna grab out our dogs. If a couple onions get in here with these dogs and peppers, that's all right, no big deal. Look at how they cooked like that and became these little circles. That is so cute. It looks like a little octopus tentacle. But it's a more affordable version, you know, because it's just, these are ballpark franks. We like a ballpark, we like a S-bar. We really like whatever's on sale. All right, this is looking good. Now I got the space in here that I need to complete my mission. All right, I'm coming in with some Simply ketchup. We're just gonna add that and some yellow mustard. Perfection. Let's just get this sort of mixed around in here with all of our peppers, our onions. Oh, y'all, this is about to be so good. I'm telling you, you're never gonna do hot dogs another way again, because this is it. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Alrighty, I got my dog in my bun. I'm gonna put all this on top here. Yum. Y'all, oh my God. This looks so good. Our swamp dog, the new summer favorite. Y'all, this is so easy, so good. You gotta try it.